important are emotions when it comes to magic? Hi, I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com, and if you're new to this channel and you want to know more about Wicca and witchcraft, or you want to be a witch or a Wiccan, then hit the subscribe button below so that you don't miss anything. In this video, the subject is emotion and magic. Now, in the New Age community, was a lot of hype around the book The Secret that came out. I can't remember when it came out. That talked a lot about your thoughts become things, and what you think, what you believe, is what becomes true. So there was a lot of focus on thinking and thought. And yes, we know that you do have to be able to know what it is that you want when you're doing a spell. And it is good if you can perceive it in some way, although you don't necessarily need to be able to visualize it. You want to use all of your senses. You don't just want to see it. You want to actually feel it, touch it, taste it, smell it, and be a part of it as if it's already happened. But they never really mentioned the emotional state. And the emotions are the energy. Okay, so emotions are energy that runs through the nervous system. So it's all energy. Emotion is energy. And if you take notice of how you feel when you're excited, how you feel when you're joyful, how you feel when you're happy, it's a rush of energy, and you can feel it in your body, you can feel it in your muscles. So when you can attain a certain emotional state in magic, you are going to help push the energy out into the universe and send the message to the spirits that you're working with that this is how you want to feel. Because at the end of the day, every piece of magic we do, whether it's healing magic, whether it's financial magic, relationship magic, protection magic, whatever it is, it's because we think that we're going to feel something at the end of it. And our desire to have this thing or to have this situation is so that we can feel a certain way. It is all about how we feel. It's how we want to feel. And we use material possessions, we use our jobs, we use circumstances to help us feel good. We want to feel good. That's what we want. We want to feel at ease, we want to feel good, we want to feel joy, we want to feel happy, we want to feel good. And at the end of every spell, that is generally the goal that you're trying to achieve. If you're doing a healing for somebody, it's because if it helps them heal, you're going to feel good, okay? And so are they. If it's because you want to do some financial magic, it's because you want to feel at ease about things. You want to feel secure. You want to feel safe. You want to have fun spending the money. It's all about feeling good. Magic is about feeling good. So when you know that, when you know what emotional state it is that you're after, you can craft that into your spell. So when it comes to the raising of energy and the imagining that you are already experiencing what it is that you want to experience, it's that emotion that you just relish in the emotion, enjoy the emotion. It's like you're tasting that emotion, and you do that tasting of the emotion through your senses, through your sight. So you're seeing what it is, you're hearing what it is, you can smell what it is, you can taste what it is almost, you can touch it and what the texture is of what it is. That really will help your emotions get going and put you in that situation, and that helps raise the energy and directs it exactly to how you want to feel. And that's what you need to focus on, how you want to feel, because that's really your goal at the end of the day. Plus, when it comes to lust for result, it's like we say, don't lust for result. So what do? You lust for result. It's like telling somebody, don't think of a pink elephant. Immediately you're going to think of a pink elephant. This emotional state and the understanding of what it is that you want to feel at the end of your magic is what you go into when you feel the lust for result. So if you're worried about your magic working or not working, or when is it going to work, or how is it going to work, go into the emotional state that you created when you were doing the magic, and just spend a minute or two in that state to distract you is to distract your nervous system from focusing on the negative emotions of worrying and being concerned. So that's how you can use emotions for transformation when it comes to the lustful result. Emotions are really important. They haven't been given a lot of attention because in Western culture we're a bit afraid of emotions. We've never really taken them seriously because they're linked to the feminine, and they are really important, especially for magic, because they're the energy that makes the magic happen. So that is it for emotions. And if you are curious about how I do teach Wicca and witchcraft and talk about all of this stuff, I do that in my Mystery Witch School 101 training program. And if that is something that, if you're finding, as I hear a lot of people say, I don't know where to start, I don't know what to do, I'm scared of doing it wrong, there's so much information out there, I just don't know what to do with it. I've put together that training program so that you don't have to worry about that stuff. You spend 12 months building your skills, building your energy, learning about magic, learning about yourself, and of course the Sabbats and the seasons and the elements and all of those things that go into magic. You do financial magic, protection magic, relationship magic, all of that together without you having to fumble around trying to piece it all together. The information about that is below this video, and if you have any questions, just email me. And if you like this video, hit the like button, don't forget to share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe as well. I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com. Blessed be.